In Infinite Craft, obtaining a human character is an exciting challenge that requires understanding the game's mechanics and resources. So to start, players should focus on exploring the game's vast world, gathering materials, and completing tasks that will eventually unlock the possibility of encountering or creating human NPCs. One common method is through crafting or acquiring a special item or potion that allows for the summoning of human-like characters. This can involve combining rare ingredients found throughout the game world. So these ingredients might be obtained through trade, mining, or defeating certain in-game creatures that drop essential materials. Now, another approach is to unlock human characters by pro- progressing through specific game milestones, okay, such as leveling up or completing major quests. So, as players advance, the game may offer them the option to hire or recruit NPCs who can be customized or assigned tasks within the game world. In some cases, human characters may appear as part of a storyline or event that becomes accessible after completing particular objectives or quests. These characters can be these characters can be interacted with, and players may gain valuable resources or assistance from them. Overall, the key to obtaining a human in Infinite Craft lies in exploration, resource management, and progressing through the game's various challenges and quests. Let me know if this helped.